Hi, we're Chris and Andy. We're off on a quick trip to Grafham Water. The approach road to the campsite is a little narrow. Oliver Cromwell stayed in the house next to the telephone box. Quick, easy check-in, and we're off to find our pitch. Oh, hello! There's another Sundance just like ours. The shop and community pub is just 15 minutes walk away from the campsite. It's 5 minutes walk to the reservoir, but I don't think we're going to be walking for very long. It's getting very dark and looks like it might rain. There are several small ponds scattered about the campsite. There are pretty woodland walks throughout. A last look at the local countryside and then we're off.